Well, welcome back to the Piney Woods homestead, y'all. Everything has got to go. This garden down here is what I'm talking about. So no clickbait on the title. Everything really does have to go. It's about 5,000% miserable outside this morning. I've just got the drives serviced on the excavator. I'm gonna bring it down to the garden today. Guys, thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods homestead. Hit that like and subscribe if you hadn't. And if you have, as always, y'all, we appreciate you. I hope I actually just turned that off instead of on. It's kind of hard to hear. Guess I'll find out in a minute. First thing I gotta do is get these trellis wires down. I've already clipped them at the other end. And I'm just doing it I'm making it easy. I'm clipping. And I'll come back in here and drag these things off and up into the woods, and they'll be reused at a later time. That was probably the best plan I have had all day, hooking that high tensile steel to the hitch on the gator and just dragging it. Now it's out of the way, get the excavator down here, and I'll be in the air conditioning. So I will not be 5,000% miserable anymore after this. Now that all of that high tensile steel trellis is out of here, I can take the machine, get all these 4x4 posts up, and then we're going to see if we can pick some okra with an excavator. That should be fun. That's a whole lot easier than doing it by hand. What's funny is years ago when I was researching excavators, trying to decide on what to get, I was tempted to buy one of these yellow and black ones called a Sani, made in China. And I remember watching the sales person over in China. He was talking about how great it would be in your garden. And I thought, I ain't ever gonna use an excavator in my garden. But here we go. I'm using an excavator in the garden. See if I can get up some of this okra. It's gonna get tilled tomorrow, y'all. A whole bunch of rain coming. I'm leaving the peppers. Lisa's got to pick them this evening. It's all gonna get tilled under and cover cropped, ready for the next season. Y'all, that's the most fun I've had in the garden in a long time. Who'd have thought bring an excavator in to do something that normally we do by hand would be so much more enjoyable than sweating and trying to breathe all this humid air out here. But y'all, it worked fantastic. Most of it's up, some of it's still laying around, but I'm not too worried about it. It's going to get tilled under and cover cropped about tomorrow. Y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. A little short one for you. Gotta get this garden spot cleaned up. Weeds are taking over now. Up on this high side, watermelons never made anything. Just was too dry, y'all, early on. Had plenty of rain here the past several weeks, but it's too late now, y'all. But that's all right, no big deal. Don't always get them. But you always plant the seed, hoping for something that you could harvest. Guys, I hope that you have a good day and a great week. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. We will see you on the next one.